If you're seeing the OneDrive error code 53000, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few simple fixes that can help get OneDrive working again. This error can happen for a few different reasons, including a temporary sign-in issue, a problem with the local OneDrive app, or even a device approval requirement if you're using a work or school account. The good news is you can usually troubleshoot it step by step without needing any advanced technical skills. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into the fixes. First, try the simplest solution. Restart your computer. Click the Start menu, select Power, and then click Restart. Once your computer boots back up, open OneDrive again and check whether the error code 53000 is gone. A quick restart can often clear temporary glitches and refresh your sign-in session. If that doesn't solve it, the next thing to try is signing in through your web browser. Open your browser and go to OneDrive, then sign in with the same Microsoft account you use on the computer. If your account signs in successfully in the browser, that tells you the issue may be with the desktop app rather than your account itself. That information is useful because it helps you narrow down the problem before moving to the next step. Now let's try signing out and signing back in on the OneDrive app. Click the OneDrive cloud icon in your system tray. Then click the gear icon, open Settings, and go to the Account tab. From there, click Unlink this PC. This will disconnect the current OneDrive session from your computer. After that, open OneDrive again and sign in with your account one more time. This often fixes authentication issues and can clear the 53000 error if the app got stuck on a bad connection or outdated session. If the issue still continues, the next method is to reset OneDrive. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard to open the Run box. Then type C:"Program Files, Microsoft OneDrive, OneDrive.exe/reset and press Enter. After you do that, wait about 2 minutes. During this time, OneDrive may disappear and then relaunch automatically, or you may need to open it manually afterward. A reset can repair sync and sign-in problems without deleting your files, so it's one of the most effective troubleshooting steps for this type of error. Once OneDrive is open again, check whether everything is working normally. If you're still getting error code 53000, there's one more important thing to keep in mind. If you're using a work or school account, this error may not be caused by your computer at all. In many cases, the organization's administrator needs to approve the device or register it before OneDrive will sign in properly. So if none of the personal troubleshooting steps work, you may need to contact your IT admin and ask whether your device is allowed to connect to OneDrive. That's especially important in managed environments, where security policies can block access. So to quickly recap, the main fixes for OneDrive error code 53000 are restarting your computer, signing in through the browser, unlinking and signing back in, and resetting OneDrive. And if you're on a work or school account, make sure your administrator has approved the device. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more simple step-by-step solutions for common Windows and OneDrive issues. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.